Hey guys, how's it going? We're going to go over today a recent page I did for Berry's brand. This was a bundle page, and I'm going to go over the proper e-commerce framework for your landing pages. So we start off with the hero. Basically, the hero, you want to have a nice, clear, bold hook of the product, the benefit, improve your health and well-being with our berry mix snack. So it's a snack, it's a bundle here. And bullets, focus on the bullets, which is benefits. So you feel full, more energy, zero prep, save time. Super berries with polyphenols, no processed white sugars, all that stuff. So the hero is super key. Either have a nice image or video if you can. Video is even better. With this client, we wanted to use an image. Then just getting into reviews straight away, just showing reviews as soon as possible is really key, whether they're video or text reviews. Here we had more text reviews, so we lean into that first. Then why this brand? So this is where you really get into the benefits more right away. So just always keep in mind what's in it for the customer, the transformation. They get nutrition, zero prep. People live very busy lifestyles these days, so zero prep is a big thing. Clean, great flavors. We have the CTA constantly to remind people to buy and just buy the bundle, just take the next step. Now we got some UGC reviews, so adding a couple of that really helps. UGC video reviews are fantastic for building trust, credibility, authority. They know, okay, this brand is legit. You guys have been around for a while. There's other people who've bought your products, posting about it, talking about it. Have a CTA again. Here we got the flavors. What are the flavors? Just getting, with e-commerce, more than services, you can get into features more so showing that these are the flavors. We got so many reviews here. Benefit, you pay for 6, get 1 free. Just wherever you can, just put in a benefit there, a savings, a discount, whatever. Then here we get even more benefits, nice clear image of the product. It's easy, healthy, natural, tasty. You get a lot of these just nutritional packed berries in one bundle, one snack. Again, why this is a bit of about us, the brand, why us, what are the polyphenols, what is the content, and then here getting into more scoop. So here we have a bit of a discount as well. The 6x6, you get 1 pack for free. Organic, made in Finland. It's drinkable. You can store in room temperature, so if it's in your car, it's totally fine. Buy it. Very super important is a FAQ. So FAQ is really important because this is where you can help mitigate and alleviate possible returns or refunds by common questions you have, concerns people might have. Just put it here, address those concerns and questions here. And then you end with the footer again, getting people to take that action, take the next step. And yeah, just do that. Another thing too is basically some e-commerce brands, what I'll do is I'll have a comparison chart. Comparison charts can be really helpful, comparing your brand versus other brands. That's a really good thing to add as well. So we didn't do it with this brand necessarily, but other clients I've worked with, we have done that. So that's something I would add in as well for e-commerce brands. And yeah, for any more questions on landing pages and e-commerce, Shopify pages for Shopify Replo, feel free to DM me, ask me, and post in the comments as well. Happy to help and share more info.